Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
I will explain secure alternatives to WhatsApp for sharing photos quickly and privately. Consider end-to-end encrypted apps such as Signal for direct messaging with photos. Use cloud storage when you need cross-device access and larger file sizes. Set a sharing link to expire after 7 days to limit access. Choose services that provide 256-bit encryption for stored photos and in-transit data. For in-person transfers, use AirDrop or direct USB to avoid uploading images online. Start by uploading your photos to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive from your device. Create a share link and change permissions to view only to prevent edits. Add specific recipient emails to restrict access to only trusted people. Set the link to expire after 7 days to automatically revoke access later. Use services that advertise 256-bit encryption for stored and transmitted files to increase security. Notify recipients by sending the link separately from any passwords for added protection. For local exchanges, use AirDrop on Apple devices or Nearby Share on Android devices for direct transfers. These methods avoid uploading photos to third-party servers and keep files on local radios. Use Signal when you need encrypted messaging. It handles photos securely end-to-end. If photos exceed 2 GB, compress them into an encrypted archive and choose AES 256 encryption with a strong password. Share the archive password in a separate channel or verbally to maintain security and control over access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.